Hey guys, it's Rachel from Hope Corner Farm. By day, I'm a home ec teacher who teaches hundreds of students how to crochet, quilt, sew, and cook. And today we're going to learn how to complete the extended single crochet stitch. So this is a little variation on the single crochet. It makes a little bit taller of a stitch, and it also gives you a little extra textural detail, a different look to your crocheted projects. So let's get our stuff together. You're going to need a hook and some yarn, and then we'll get crocheting. As you can see here, I've already got a swatch with some extended single crochets completed, so I'm just going to show you how to complete this stitch. So just like a single crochet, I'm not going to yarn over, and I'm going to go right into the space that I'm going to extended single crochet into. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to yarn over, pull through that stitch. Now I've got 2 loops on my hook. Now this is where this stitch differs. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. Now I've got 2 on my hook. I'm going to yarn over one more time and pull through both loops, and that completes that extended single crochet. So I'll show you this move again. We're going to go into the space, yarn over, pull through. Now I've got 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. I'm going to yarn over, pull through both loops to complete that stitch. All right, so I'll show you this a couple more times. In fact, first off, I'm going to show you what the single crochet looks like. So for a regular single crochet, I'd just go into this space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. So you can kind of see the difference here. The extended single crochet has a little more texture to it because you have that extra yarn over and pulling through the loop. So I'm going to take that single crochet out. So again, for the extended single crochet, I'm going to go into my space. I'm going to yarn over, pull through that space. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the second loop, and complete the stitch. So again, into the space, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop. And that really is how simple and easy the extended single crochet stitch is. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications for when I post new videos. I hope you guys have a blessed day.